Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Neisha. I am a registered nurse slash mom slash blogger, and I make videos about all kinds of things, fashion, wellness. I do vlogs, cooking, all kinds of stuff like that. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can watch any of my videos the minute they go up. So today I am talking about CBD oil. I mentioned CBD in one of my Facebook lives, and several of you wanted me to do a video on it. Just a disclaimer, I'm not an expert, and this is not medical advice on CBD. Always talk to your doctor before you use anything, because this is considered a supplement, I think, and you just want to make sure you're being safe with everything. Also, I am using Young Living CBD oil. I'm sure there's plenty of different brands on the market that are reputable and good quality. I encourage you to do your research and make sure that you are getting a quality CBD tincture, salve, whatever you're gonna use, because there's a lot on the market, and I'm sure there's some crap. Just like with everything, you just gotta be careful. So first I'm gonna show you the different kinds that I use and tell you what I use them for. This is the main one that I use, Cbd Muscle Rub, 600 milligrams. It's for joint and muscles, and it's a balm. The ingredients are a bunch of essential oils, of course, CBD. It's got beeswax, shea butter, jojoba oil, and several other kind of like vitamins, like vitamin E and stuff like that. I'll link all the ones that I'm using in the description so you guys can go check them out and see exactly what's in them and make up your own mind if you're interested in these. And I'll also leave a link on how to buy these. This comes in this little jar. You can see I've used a lot of it, but I've had it for a while and I'm still not at the bottom, so that's good. It smells, it's got kind of like a menthol base to it, but it's not super stout, so that's good, because I don't really like that smell and I don't want to have super strong scents around the baby, stuff like that. I use this on my neck. I have a lot of neck pain from, I breastfeed, and so my neck is like this a lot. When I'm sitting at the computer, I slouch. I've got to work on my posture. The quarantine has just thrown me off. And I've just always had mid-back pain that's just where I hold my stress. I have a massage therapist who tries to work out the kinks and stuff, but this really helped. The first time I used it, Ken helped me. So he applied it to the side of my spine where I have most of my muscle pain. And let me just say, before I used CBD, I was really skeptical on it working, as well as people say that it works. Not because I think people are lying, I've never had anything really work. Like Icy Hot, BioFreeze, all that stuff, none of it ever helped me. So I didn't have high expectations when I ordered this and I used it. So after he applied it, it only was a few minutes and I felt relief. Not 100%, but a significant difference that I was able to notice within just a few minutes. And I told Ken, I was like, look, I'm gonna say this and it's gonna sound crazy, but I already can tell it's making a difference. And so right then and there, I was sold on this particular product right now. So I will probably keep using this until it's not available anymore. But like I said, I've had this for 3 months and it's still, I would say, over 50% full. It doesn't take a whole lot. It goes on really smoothly. It absorbs into your skin really smoothly. This is my #1 favorite because I have the muscle tension in my back. So this little dude is 1.76 ounces, 50 grams, and it's $109.95 for this tub. Now this is the super strength one. They have one that's cheaper that's 300 milligrams and it's $74.95. So if you're interested in buying those, you have to be a Young Living member. I have a video on how to do that without ordering every month or having a minimum monthly order or selling anything like that. You just order what you want. I'll put the thing here or here. I never can remember. I think here. I'm probably wrong, but I'll put a card up there. So if you want to watch that video, and I'll also link it in the description. So that's the price for this. The second product I'm going to talk about is this one. It's Nature's Ultra Citrus CBD. It's 500 milligrams, and this is in a dropper bottle. So looks like that, and then the dropper, and you just use this on wherever you need it. So like joints, my dad uses this on his knee. He injured his knee ages ago and he still says he had some pain from it, so I gave him this and he said it helped. So I believe him, and he's used the BioFreeze and stuff like that too and didn't see any relief from that either. This is 1 ounce and this costs, the 500 milligrams, $79.95, and then they have a 1,000 milligram, which is like super strength, and it's $149.95. CBD oil that's like quality, and I've looked around, usually is pricey, but it goes a long ways. This has lasted us, like I said, 3 months already. It's not even halfway empty. And I will take, I mean, I just feel like I used to go through ibuprofen all the time, and a lot of people are on painkillers and stuff like that. So if this can help somebody get off that kind of stuff, even just ibuprofen, because taking ibuprofen on a daily basis is super bad for you. So if this can alleviate somebody's use of that, I think that it's well worth the money. And then the third one is the Calm Rollerball. It looks like this. It's 300 milligrams, and there's 0.34 ounces in this little roller ball. I just apply this to my inner wrist right here and here, and then also behind my ears like this, maybe twice a day if I'm stressed out, a little extra anxious, or if I'm fixing to go to bed, or if, you know, fill in the blank. It's supposed to help you kind of like chill, right? I can't say that this is helping me chill right now. Maybe it is, but to be honest, restlessness and stuff like that is kind of a hard thing to say, oh, it's significantly better, because pain is like, it's either here or it's not. Where being anxious is kind of like you just gotta be like, oh, am I anxious? I don't know. It's a little bit harder to differentiate. I do like the smell of it. It's easy to take with you on the go if you're on a flight or something like that. I think that would be really cool. There's an article that Young Living posted that has all the different types of CBD that they have, because they have several different kinds. I'll tell you here in a minute what all they are, and then what they're specifically for. So for this, for the Calm, it says, if you're feeling tired or stressed, Calm CBD roll-on is the friend you need to create a relaxed atmosphere with the help of soothing lavender, grounding frankincense, and other delightfully aromatic essential oils, along with the CBD. So then they also have a few other CBD products that I haven't tried yet, but I'm going to tell you what they are. They have cinnamon CBD. It contains MCT oil and CBD, and then cinnamon, and it has stevia in it. That's also in the dropper bottle, and it comes in 1,000 milligrams, so the super strength one. Then the citrus CBD, we already talked about that. Cool mint CBD, I haven't tried this one either, but it also comes in the dropper bottle, 500 milligrams. Then the Muscle Rub, it kind of talks about what each one is used for. Like I said, these are the 3 that I've used. I'm very happy with them. I think CBD is a very underutilized tool that a lot of us, especially people with pain, can really utilize in place of things that are maybe more toxic. So I'm very happy that I started using CBD. I'm a little late on the CBD train, but you know, better late than never. I really enjoy having something that I can go to that I know is not going to be toxic to my body, but actually good for me and actually will help. So if you're interested in trying these products, like I said, I'll put the link in the description to the website and to the article so you guys can learn more. Like I said, I'm not an expert on CBD. I can just tell you my experience with the kind that I've used, and encourage you to experiment with CBD and see how it affects you. Like I said, I've had a really good experience, and I'm really happy that I finally gave it a shot. So I hope you liked this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you hit that thumb button, consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you, baby.